This poem, My Last Duchess, is the most significant poem, and one of the most significant poems written by Robert Browning, and it has later influenced a lot of works, and there have been many works which have been written in context of the poem My Last Duchess. Now, in this section, we would be dealing with some works which are similar or which have been influenced or which are directly or indirectly related with My Last Duchess. We have a novelist, a writer from Scotland named as Smith Jane Crichton, who wrote a novel in 1971, and that novel was titled as My Last Duchess. He begins his novel with the poem, with the text of the poem of Robert Browning, My Last Duchess. Now we have Richard Howard. He is a 20th century American poet, and he wrote a sequel to My Last Duchess, which was actually in the form of a letter titled Nicholas Mardruse. Now, Nicholas Mardruse was actually the listener in the poem My Last Duchess, and here the responses of Nicholas Mardruse are detailed, are written about by Richard Howard, and he would be addressing his response to his master, Count of Tyrol Ferdinand II, who was actually in charge of the marriage, of settling the marriage between Nicholas II and Barbara. There is another writer, rather Eric Flint, who is a science fiction writer, and he also uses some portions of My Last Duchess in his book titled 1634, The Galileo Affair, which was published in 2004. The famous Canadian writer Margaret Atwood, she has also written a short story by the title My Last Duchess, which was published in anthology Moral Disorders in 2006. These were some of the works which were related or influenced by My Last Duchess.